Hi, I'm Eric and today we're going to talk about sulfones. What is a sulfone? Sulfone comprises two carbon atoms in a sulfonyl group. They are structurally similar to antibacterial classes that target Mycobacterium. Daphzone is a sulfone, clinically used for leprosy. Chemically, it's 4,4-diamino-diphenyl sulfone or DDS. It is structurally related to sulfonamides. It has both bactericidal and bacteriostatic action. For its mechanism of action, Daphzone is a foliate antagonist for treating leprosy. In other conditions, the mechanism is uncertain. However, it appears to suppress neutrophil activity. It may decrease the respiratory burst in inflammatory cells. As an antibiotic, it inhibits the formation of dihydrofolic acid by competing with PABA for the active site of dihydroteroates, hence inhibiting the nucleic acid synthesis. For its pharmacokinetics, it is highly absorbed with a half-life of 11 to 13 hours in experimental dogs. Dogs cannot acetylate drugs, and the pattern of sulfonamide metabolism suggests that this may lead to a larger accumulation of toxic metabolites and an increased risk of adverse effects. For its clinical use in animals, Daphzone has been tried for feline leprosy, although its effectiveness is uncertain. In dogs, it is used for vascular problems, inflammatory skin disease, immune-mediated illness, and subcorneal pustular dermatosis. Daphzone or sulfone is also used alongside the rifampicin and clofazimine to treat leprosy. It treats and prevents pneumocystis pneumonia, and it also used for toxoplasmosis in people unable to tolerate trimethoprim with sulfamethoxazole. For its adverse effects, some dogs may be unable to metabolize hydroxylamine metabolite, which might lead to poisoning. Cats are prone to hepatitis and blood trichiniasis. Cats are unable to rapidly glucuronate this metabolite, which may raise the risk for toxicosis compared to other species. And that is all about sulfones. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!